illegal, undocumented and unregulated fishing practices, including previous use of unsafe and substandard boats, has been a concern.
These challenges led the government of Uganda, the government of the Federal Republic of Germany, the Lake Victoria Fisheries Organization to come together and create or kind of put into being the Responsible Fisheries Business Chains project. The project is funded by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, so that in 2016 this program started to address the aforementioned challenges.
We have the boats which is on standard. We are using the nets which is on standard. We are paying license. We are licensing our boats. And we are advising our fishermen to wear life jackets, how they can handle fish after fishing. We have learned value addition on our fish.
The project also facilitated the review of the standard operating procedures, SOPs, for self-checks in fish factories, which were used for 444 inspections in 11 fish factories.
They have done over 1,000 self-control checks where they monitor the quality of the fish that is brought to the factories for processing. They also monitor the sizes of those fish. And this has been a regulatory tool to the sector in a way that the fishermen have to fish out the right size of the fish because they know their target customers are the factories. And also at the factory level, it helps them to process better fish, which opens up a wider market for them for international export.
Partners: Lake Victoria Fisheries Organization, Directorate of Fisheries Resources, MAIF, Uganda Fish Processors and Exporters Association, the Federation of Fisheries Organization of Uganda, Association of Fishers and Lake Users of Uganda, Katosi Women Development Trust, Uganda National Women Fish Organization, Lake Choga Integrated Management Organization, National Fisheries Resources Research Institute, Sustainable Fisheries Initiative. GIZ has supported the organizations or partners' capacity strengthening.
Our effort of building their capacity to ensure that during implementation they don't deviate from those provisions. In terms of training and keeping them with knowledge and skills has helped the partners to acquire that knowledge that is required in requesting for funds from the rest of grants other than GIZ. And most of them have benefited from other international development partners using the information and knowledge that they acquired during the implementation of our project.
There has been strengthening of government actors as well as the private sector and civil society organizations for sustainable resource use.
We have worked hand in hand. We have now our people around some of the sub-counties with the laptops and generators that support them in registration and licensing. So the aspect of licensing and the registration has been supported majorly by GIZ. GIZ has been able to support us with the law, with all the facilitation they gave us. We now have a new fisheries law 2023. We still want to appeal to them. Please, we need instruments. We need you to work with us for us to get these instruments. Then too, we still need you to support us on aquaculture, majorly. In the east and northern, we need support for fish farming for our youth, and then of course, support for our artisan women, because women in fishing have supported their family a great deal, and some of them were basically supported by GIZ. From the time I came to this docket, I've had 3 big fisheries days, and GIZ has been in support of this. GIZ has been able to support us, sensitize the public about fishing, and good fishing and sustainable fishing, especially with our local fishermen who didn't know about fisheries bringing money to to the country, bringing money to their pockets, helping them to pay the fees of their children, and also economically the country has been empowered. And we are second to coffee. So we want to appeal, please continue supporting us, and even when your time seems to be expiring, please, we need you to stay there and lobby for us.